Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Victor Agina, and today I'm going to be reviewing the book titled The 10x eCommerce Secret Book. Now, the reason why I'm doing this review is because one, I have the book, and two, the book has helped me a lot in my business. And this book is written by no other person by the one and only Jonathan Melody. He's one of the top guys in the e-com industry in Nigeria. And another good news is that this book was not just written by Jonathan. This book was also reviewed by Ikenna. It's actually my namesake, Festac boy, Ronald Zimura, who forwarded this book, and he is right up there. He's like the baba, one of the babas in the internet marketing game in Nigeria. So without wasting much of our time on the introduction, I'm going to go right straight into what this book is about. Now, if you're into any form of business, any form of legitimate business, maybe you sell shoes, you sell bags, you sell clothes, you sell whatever it is, maybe you sell car accessories, you sell mobile accessories and all that, this book is for you because it teaches you exactly how you can sell on the internet by leveraging on the power of Facebook. I know that you have a Facebook account, and many people have a Facebook account, but they don't really know how to use this Facebook account to generate sales for the business. Now, this book is going to teach you everything you need to know about selling online. It's going to teach you how you're going to create a funnel. A funnel is a series of is a three-part series that shows you how you structure and to get people emotionally inclined to buy your product or your service or whatever it is that you are selling. So funnel starts with the copy you write on the Facebook ads, from what you see on the Facebook ads, and then goes to your website. What you see on the website, you're going to capture their emails. You have to capture their emails so that you can follow up with them and end with the follow-up messages. And no, not just ending with follow-up messages, ends with the sale. So let's see what we have in this book. Chapter 1, it talks about the 3 reasons why people fail in the e-commerce industry. Like, a lot of people just jump into this thing and then they jump out because they feel there's money in this business, and at the end of the day they say it doesn't work. Actually, it works if you are doing the right thing. Now, market research in module 1 talks about market research. Chapter 1 of module 1 talks about developing a mindset for your business. Mindset is you're going to have challenges in this business, in the e-com business, or whatever it is you're selling, whatever business that you are doing, you must have challenges. That is life. Challenges will come, and if you don't have this mindset of being successful, of trying to surmount these challenges, then you're going to fail. You're just going to have yourself say, I know to do again when shit hits the fence. Okay, now chapter 2 talks about how to find a niche. A niche is a market in the market. Like a market in the market, we have weight loss, broad. Then we have how to lose belly fat. Is a niche. It's a smaller segment of the weight loss segment. Then how to lose arm fat is a smaller segment. Okay, so talk about how to find fast selling products. That's chapter 3. Chapter 4 talks about the criteria to choosing the best products to sell. You don't want to import something and then you have nobody buying this stuff. I mean, I was one like that. I've had that experience before. I imported stuff thinking that, well, I'm going to sell these things, and my brother, when the products came, man, in fact, some of them are even in here, I couldn't sell them. So it's not about just importing products. You need to know the kind of products to import so that you don't end up importing the wrong products. And if you import the wrong products, you're not going to sell it, and you're going to waste your money. You don't want to waste your money, do you? Now, how to test for market viability. So you see a product on, one of these websites where you want to import from. You don't just go on to import. The product like that. You need to test to know if this product is viable, to test if people are going to buy this product by running a test ad. When you run a test ad, you'll be able to ascertain if people are going to buy this product. You see the tractions on your ad and all that, and with that, okay, sometimes you might even run this viability test and you get some others. So when this happens, it's high time for you to import the products to sell. Now, product sourcing, chapter 2, module 2, chapter 1 talks about how to source for products from AliExpress, chapter 2, how to source from Alibaba, chapter 3, how to ship the products to your location, like from China, Alibaba or AliExpress, or 1688 down to your country, Nigeria. Now, bonus chapter, you're going to learn how buying and shipping from other countries apart from China. So you're not just going to be doing China. You're going to learn how to import from Turkey, from other countries. Now, product listing. This is very important because you can import products and you don't know how to sell. If you don't know how to sell, then man, the market don't cast because your money, you know, go see them again. The product just did there to look you wow. So Module 3, Chapter 1 talks about the online marketing places where you can list your product, and Chapter 2 of this module talks about online marketing places plus your website. Having a website is very, it's important. You can sell without a website, like using the Facebook Messenger and all that, but having a website for me is key. Like, I have 2 websites that I use to run my businesses. Now, Chapter 3 talks about the sales funnel as a whole. Sales funnel, I told you, is a series of structured text, words, links that takes your buyer, your potential buyer, through the process of the buying process. Sorry, it takes your prospects through that process where they end up buying. So, like I said earlier on, it starts with the copy on the ad, what you see on the ad, because you need to learn how to say the right things to the right people. If you don't say the right thing to me, and I see an ad and it doesn't appeal to me, I'm going to scroll through that ad. I'm sure if you have a Facebook account, I'm sure you've seen all those ads that say sponsored, and then they're selling something to you. Now, if the person doesn't say the right thing to you, you're not going to stop on that ad. There's absolutely no how you're going to stop on that ad. If it's not connected to you, if it's not related to you, to your interest, you are not going to stop on that ad. So the first thing is what you say on the ad, right? That is part of the funnel. Starts from that message on Facebook, what you say on the ad, and then now goes down to what you say on the landing page, where they land, and then if you're going to capture emails, and you capture emails, and also what you say in the emails, right? So that is the process. Some people might buy your stuff, on the first day, the first time, instantly when they see the stuff, and some other people might take, a couple of days for them to order your products. That's when you're capturing email, because they don't know you, then your email is going to do the same. All right. So marketing, module 4 talks about creating a customer avatar. Creating a customer avatar means you need to draw out a framework of who your target market is. Like, well, this is Victor, his stomach is big and he might want to have his 6 packs back instead of one big fufu pack. So that is your customer avatar. You have a product for belly fat, so these kind of products that help you to in-house exercise and all that. You want to target somebody like me, you need to draw up the ideal figure that you want to target for, to sell the products. Chapter 2 of Module 4 talks about where to market your products. Chapter 3 talks about the one emotion to make people buy. So this thing is about playing into the emotions of people. Like, if you play into the emotions of people, have you ever run an ad? I don't know if you've ever run an ad. Have you ever said something to somebody or written something online that just made them want to say, guy, please, I need this product because this stuff is going to help my problems. It's going to help solve my problems. So you need to know how to play into the emotions of people by using captivating words that will make them click through your website and buy a product. Now, chapter 4, page 129 talks about creating your marketing content. You need the content, valuable content. You need emotionally provoking content that help people to buy this product. Module 5 talks about delivery, how to ship products to your buyers. Chapter 2 of Module 5 talks about how to track your deliveries. Chapter 3 talks about the best payment methods to use. Then Module 6, business managing and scaling. See, sometimes we might have a product that is really doing very well. Okay? Sometimes we tend to mismanage our business. We don't keep track, we don't keep stock, we don't keep anything, and then we don't even keep track of our finances. Like, money comes, money goes, you're spending your money is coming in, you're eating your money, and then you're not keeping track of anything. You need to know how to manage and scale your business. So you're making 10 orders today. You need to ask yourself, how can I make 20 orders tomorrow? How can I make 30 orders tomorrow? Then chapter 2 of module 6 talks about how to manage your business growth. See, business, it's not just something you do on the surface. Business is deep. That's the reason why you see most business people, they don't sleep, because you have a lot to do. You have to know how to manage your business growth. When business is expanding, how can you manage it? So you start out with doing this whole stuff by yourself, and then the business starts expanding. When the business starts expanding, you need to say, okay, I need to get a girl who's going to make calls for me. I need to get a guy who's going to package stuff for me. I need to get, if you're drop shipping, I need to get so and so person who's going to pick up stuff from me, blah, 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 blah. You need to know how to manage your business growth. And page 175 talks about how to get the most from this book. I am telling you with my full chest that this book is something that you need to get. And one of the things that I learned in this book, because I don't know if you're already used to Facebook ads. There's something called conversion ads. When you keep on running conversion ads, it's just hit and get or hit and miss. Yeah, it's good to run conversion ads, but one of the things that I like that Jonathan did here was to teach me and to teach you and to teach everybody how you can like run ads and stay profitable by using emotionally provoking words. Not just that, and by capturing the emails of these people before taking them to your sales page. Sales page is where you have all the details of your products that you're selling. So but before you show them that page, normally I used to run ad directly to sales page, do conversion ahead and have them fill the order form and order. But Jonathan says no, don't do that. You have been doing it the wrong way. The right way to go about this right now is to capture emails. When you capture emails of these people, you have them. So even if you're having a problem with your Facebook account and you can no longer run ads, you have the email address of these people who are already used to you. Then you can also always send them emails to sell your product. So imagine you have 3,000 emails and then it's converting at maybe 5% or 10%. So whenever you have a new product, you can always sell to those people. So I recommend this book of anybody who wants to grow and scale his e-commerce business, or whatever it is that you want to sell, you're selling, or you want to go into the e-commerce business, you don't know where to start from, you start from this book. Now I'll be dropping the link below where you can order this book. But the thing there is that you're not going to be getting a physical copy. You're not going to be printing physical copies. What you're going to get is an e-copy, an e-book when you place an order on the link that I'm going to provide below. And the book costs just 5,000 naira. So don't sleep on this, don't waste time. Click on the link below or on the side if you're watching this on WhatsApp and place your order for this book right away. Just 5,000 naira. Spare that money you want to use to grow this weekend. All the best.